Hi, I'm Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the Algo laser Alpha, and spoiler alert, it's the best laser engraver I have ever came across. Algo laser is a new player in the laser engraving world, but the folks behind it have a history with Order, a brand I've tested extensively. It's no surprise that their debut, the Algo laser Alpha, is a top-tier device. The Algo laser Alpha appears simple, featuring a 22 watt laser module, an air assist unit and a basic design. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Beneath it lies an incredible machine, the finest laser engraver I have ever tested. Let's dive into the details. As mentioned, the Algo laser Alpha is a 22 watt diode laser that moves along an XY frame. Its workspace measures 400 x 400 mm and the laser head is fixed, meaning you can't move it automatically along the Z axis. The machine comes with an air assist that you can turn on and off using laser software like, for example, Laser Gerbil or Lightburn. You can adjust the air assist blowing strength manually via a clear controller on the cable between the machine and the compressor. You can also raise or lower the laser unit using a lever, and a sliding ruler makes focusing the laser very easy. Nothing out of the ordinary so far. Now, what makes the Algo laser Alpha special is its ability to cut materials I couldn't cut with any other laser engraver that I have, even ones with higher power. How? Well, the laser beam of this module is incredibly small compared to other machines. At full power, the laser spot measures 0.16 x 0.14 millimeters, and this is really tiny at this power level. This translates to efficient energy transfer from light to heat, enabling high levels of heat transfer. In simple terms, this laser can easily burn or even vaporize materials, doing so much more efficiently than lasers with larger spots. So, what could I do with this laser that I couldn't do with others? Well, for instance, cutting 6mm MDF in one pass, or 9mm MDF in two passes, or cutting 18mm of birchwood in two passes. Plus, the air compressor used for the air assist unit keeps the cuts clean, preventing charring or burning. The cuts look remarkably clean. Of course, I also used this laser to engrave, and it did a fantastic job. Photos turned out beautifully, and pattern drawings I often work with, they looked great when printed on wood. There were more noteworthy features. Take the machine's speed when moving the head, for instance. The homing sequence is remarkably quick, allowing for efficient work. The protection under the laser unit, which shields the laser beam, is magnetically attached, and sometimes you want to see the beam or maneuver over objects with uneven surfaces. And removing the protection is easy with the Algo laser. Even the focus distance measurement tools remain available when you do this. As for control, you can use the USB-C port to connect the machine to your computer running the appropriate software. I personally use Lightburn, but you can opt for the free and functional Laser Gerbil software if that's what you prefer. Moreover, the machine can be controlled via Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for USB cables. Not only for your computer, but also directly from an app on your phone or tablet. And if that's inconvenient, or if you prefer a different approach, well, you can also use a microSD memory card to transfer the files to the machine. Now, let's discuss what I like and didn't like about the Algo laser Alpha, starting with the pros. The Algo laser Alpha boasts a sleek and sturdy design with a solid frame that really looks great. All the important I/O ports are on the side where they belong. Cables and air hoses are neatly organized and out of the way, and adjusting the laser module's height, well, it's a tool-free and straightforward operation. All in all, the laser gives a very complete and well thought out impression. On the downside, when I received the machine, I had trouble getting it to work. It turned out that the software on my machine wasn't installed and I needed Algo Laser's technical support to get things going. While the issue was quickly resolved, I can understand how beginners might find this daunting. Does Algo Laser live up with their claim of creating the strongest 22-watt cutting laser with the Alpha? Well, in my view, yes. I don't have any other machine that can cut materials as well as this laser does. And even my 36-watt and 40-watt machines that I have can't match what I've achieved with the Algo Laser Alpha. So their claim is definitely justified. Now, did you enjoy this video? Well, if so, consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a thumbs up. This way YouTube knows that you liked it and can recommend it to others. And if you're interested in purchasing the Algo Laser Alpha, well, please use the link in the video description. Using that link, you can buy the machine at the regular price and I'll receive a percentage of the purchase for creating this and other videos. So, thanks in advance.